Alright, what we're looking at here today is a 52-inch Firebird branded ceiling fan. This fan was made back in 1987. It's a 3-speed reversible fan. Got this at Habitat and Avon recently. Forget how much I paid for it, but let's go ahead and start it up on low speed. Here on low speed, we're doing around 60 RPM. Pretty typical low for most fans. We'll go up to medium. Here on medium, we're going around 120 RPM, or maybe 125, 130 RPM. I think this is about 130, I guess. And high. It's got a little bit of wobble to it. One of the blades is warped a little bit, so it does wobble a little bit. And I'm gonna show you the air right now. Blows really good air. These older 80s fans are really good performers. This fan is no slouch. And I'm gonna let it coast. Yeah, this fan isn't bad. For what it is, it's not a bad fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come.